In this exercise, you'll calibrate two load cells mounted in series on the Instron 8516. A calibration weight set serves as the standard or reference. The GSI for the first lap section of the day may need to set up the Instron. Toggle the power switch located in the rear of the control console. The boot up sequence will take a minute or so to complete. You'll notice a blinking green LED in the upper console, which indicates the load cell must be calibrated. Press the setup button next to the LED. On the lower console, press the soft key sequence Cal, Auto, and Go. The green LED will rapidly blink during calibration and glow steady when done. This concludes the setup. LabVIEW is used to measure the voltage output from both load cells. On the desktop, open the LabVIEW shortcut folder and select MBQ Load Cell CDAC. The LabVIEW program will open with the configuration panel displayed. Use the tab buttons to navigate to the Calibrate panel. Finally, click on the white arrow in the menu bar to run the program. Before we begin, you must balance or null the load cells, which is comparable to zeroing out your bathroom scale before weighing yourself. As such, the load cell should be completely unloaded. On the upper console of the Instron, press the Load Setup button. Moving to the lower console, press the soft key sequence Cal, and Balance. After a few seconds, the load display should read 0. In LabVIEW, click the Null button to zero the S-type load cell. The needle of the lower meter should move to 0. Now navigate to the Take Data panel, where you'll see another null button, which performs the same operation. You should periodically null both load cells. Always verify the load cells are unloaded when balancing. With the hanger unloaded, quickly null the load cell, then click the Take Data button. A statistical summary of the measured voltage from both load cells is displayed for the unloaded state. You should record this data. The program automatically performs replication, as the displayed summary is based on 500 voltage samples. Add a calibrated mask to the hanger and click the Take Data button. Again, a statistical summary of the load cell voltage is displayed, which you should record. Continue to add weights to the hanger and record the resulting summary in your notebook. You have the option to click the Save Data button and save the data to the desktop. However, it's easier to simply write down the values. When hanging multiple weights, distribute the weights to minimize a moment arm on the load cell, which may yield errors. Use your data to determine the relationship between voltage output and applied load for both load cells. When finished, please return the weights to the box. Be sure to save your data before leaving the lab today.